Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, I can see it's a box. So let's find out what's going on inside. All right, hang on. Give me 2 seconds. Let me get rid of this. All right. Now this box, it's a little dented up, but it's cross-stitched, so it should not bother anything. But yeah. This box comes from the SevenGreat store. And if they have any specials, or if I have any special discount codes or anything, that'll go right in here and in the description box below. So, yep, as you can see, this is a spring box, and it's green, so I'm assuming that this is a 14 count, because that's the way the 14 counts come. I don't have my other boxes, you know, that the 11 counts came in, but it does have instructions on the back. It's all in Chinese, but you can see from the pictures what to do, how to pick threads, if there's any beading, certain stitches. So yeah, very nicely done back of the box, except it's a little dented. Let's find out what the picture looks like. Whoa. Oh yeah. This is a 14 count, and it is 82 by 61 14 count. Full coverage. I know. What was I thinking? Holy cow. Yeah. Well, let's open the box. And I am just going to, for the sake of this video, we're just going to take everything out of that. Whoa. Well, I tried. And get rid of the box for 2 seconds, because, yeah. Comes with a full page instruction in English. It's basically about the same information, except minus the how to do the stitches. But yeah, it tells you how to start, how to finish. It's the same thing on both sides. Not sure why they do that. Alright. Let me get to the book, is where I'm trying to get. Oh my goodness. Should have turned the box completely upside down. Alright, Matt. You are getting on my last nerve. Alright. It is $3.94 by $2.81. And all the pages are stapled together. We're just going to relieve it here, because I don't want to rip it or rip any information. I'm taking that staple out. So if you've ever got scratched by a staple, I'm telling you, it hurts. Alright, that way we can open it freely. But very beautiful, colorful pattern. Isn't that beautiful? I'm trying to get to how many colors and things like that. Let me turn this around. This is the only free-floating one. Oh my goodness. I'll explain this here in a second. We have 90 colors, full colors. This only has full stitch. It does not have any back stitching that I am seeing at all. 90 colors. Now that does not include the 5 colors that are mixed colors. And since it is 14 count, you only use 1 thread of each. Sorry, I need a drink for some reason. And then we'll go over this whole thing. I don't know why I'm so thirsty these days. I've been drinking water like I've been living in the desert. Alright, on this key, you have, let me bring you down. Okay, just a bit, so we can see what's going on. Okay, The one on the outside of all the little boxes is the canvas. The one on the inside is this paper pattern. They have divided it up so there are 8 sections of this paper pattern. Fronts, backs, and that way, you know, if you just want to work at one section at a time, you are more than welcome to do it that way. And you know what? You're more than welcome to do it however you want, because it's your kid. Let's see what we have here. We have no 310 black. You'd think we'd have some bright, vivid colors here. We have 498 red and 351 and 350, which are reds as well, I think. Where is 498? All right. It's kind of a brick red. We have 550 purple. No 666 red. We have 823 and that 817, which is another brick red. It's just a little bit lighter than 498. And no 939. And we have no 3371. And what are they using for white? I guess we're going to have some paler colors for white, but I don't see much white actually in the picture. But yeah. And on top of everything else, this is, what they tell me, is Egyptian cotton. I'm looking to see if it says that on this. It did say it in the description. So, yeah. But it's just a little bit different. Beautiful, gorgeous pattern. Very easy to see all the symbols. Just, oh, I thought that was 2 pages. My bad. Very beautiful. Look at all those colors. Oh my goodness, I can hardly wait. You know how I love color. So it's on the front, back, and everywhere. But I don't see anything that says specifically Egyptian cotton. If I missed it, let me look here. Nope. All right. Let us get along here. We're going to set that aside a second. Okay. And you have 3 thread cards. Let me just put this up here for right this second so I can spread this out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it just feels different. It's weird. Now it does have 3 needles. And like I said, 3 separate thread cards. Look at the purples and the reds and the oranges. Peach, greens, tan, brown. Just different. Wow. It's not silk, you know, or that rayon. It's just weird. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, bright, vivid colors. I know that color. I think. That is 550 purple. And that is 498. Let me see. So if that is 498, then this is, I think, nope, it's over here. Is that looks like 9. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Beautiful colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ah, can you ever? The blues, the reds. I'm just going to bring it down. Come on, machine. Very nice. Beautiful turquoises. Rose colors. Brick colors. Look at the greens. There must be 50 shades of green. I swear. I know there's no 50 shades. Oh my goodness, look at the blues here. We have peacock blues. Ugh. 90 colors, guys. 90 colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And I'm glad they're on thread cards. I'm glad they're not on those, on the little tabs. I'm glad they're not on those loop over ones. I just, hang on. Cannot. No. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. I'm just going to fold that up. Look at all those reds and oranges. Just kind of has I guess it just acts like knit material. Does that make sense? I don't know, to a certain extent, but when you separate it out, it's fine. We'll play with it and see. Yep. Let's take a look at that canvas. Give me a sec. All right. Now, when I took it out, it does have some of that silica gel in there. And I was looking, I thought, well, why would they put that in there if the bag has a hole in it? And it does have, I don't know where to, there, holes in it. It's just like Joy Sunday to keep the air flowing around the canvas. There may be more that I'm just not seeing, but there are 2 holes, front and back. One front, one back. So, yeah, I'm just going to put this someplace where I can discard it so the cat doesn't get it. I got to see which way's which. Oh my goodness, it's kind of wide. Kind of wide. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm just going to fold it in half because, you know, it is what it is. I just wanted you to see the symbols and how clear they are. I am just thrilled sick. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a piece of work. But it doesn't look confettied. You know, very nice. They put the mixed colors first. So there's 5 of those. And that's their symbol. And then the rest of the symbols run along the bottom. And, okay, Coke, you're just going to have to go someplace else and play. It starts at the top over here and comes all the way down. It is serged all the way around, of course. And then that finishes the numbers on this bottom side, and then there's your mixed ones. But very nice canvas. It feels very doable. It's thinner than some that I've had, and it's not nearly as stiff. It's just very, very, very nice. I don't know. Oh gosh. I don't think I'm going to be able to measure this. Let me take a look here. Okay, let me see. It is kind of bent over on that edge. We'll give it the old college try. If we can't get it, we can't get it. But just gorgeous. Let's see. 32 inches across, or 81.5 centimeters. Okay. That's like an approximate. We get hold of it. And this way it's 60.5 centimeters, or 23.75. Actual size is 19.75 inches, or 59.5 centimeters by 71 centimeters, or 27.75 inches. So it's fair good size. I have no idea where I'd start this. Not a single clue. I kind of want to start on the buildings. This is like building overload. I just, it's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now the price on this is $32.56. but well worth it. And I do believe that it comes in an 11 count as well. But very nicely done. Very easy to see all the symbols. Yeah, this will take a hot moment to finish. But at least there's no back stitching. There's no half stitch. No French knots. You can put in as many as you want or whatever you want. But it's just straight stitching, and you do have the 5 mixed colors, which on 14 count, I'd rather have it on 14 count than 11 count, because I can never figure out how many threads of each do I use on 11 count. So 14 count, 1 of each. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let me fold this up here. See the edge was... You can't see that. The edge was kind of turned in. So we will fold it back up. Very nice and smooth, too. Lovely. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. 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 And I love all those 90 colors, guys. 90 colors. We're going to have to get it its own bag because, yeah. Now, 7Great has cross stitch, and they only have cross stitch. They have Spring, Mona Lisa, and Joy Sunday. They have tools and crafts for everything that they have. Lots of selection, and they have separate sections for the Spring Company, Joy Sunday. Who else did I say? Oh, and Mona Lisa. So that's very nice. I'm not they do have beaded embroidery. I'm just not sure if they have the new beaded embroidery, but I think all the stores are pretty much getting it. So do check them out. Thank you, 7Great, for this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. We are going to have to do a stitch with me add 2. Because, yeah, we're going to start this puppy. It'll take us a lifetime to get done, but we're going to start it. Yeah, I love it. The colors are just, stupendous. Thank you, 7Great. And thank you all for joining me today for this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.